So what's up mga lods, no? Dito tayo ngayon sa Thailand pa rin mga idol, no? Gawin natin tong ano, Maeklong Ailwa. Maeklong
Railway Station.
Okay. Ayun, so mga idol, no, welcome ulit mga idol sa Thailand, no. So dito tayo ngayon sa kanilang railways mga idol. Kung saan nakikita niyo sa mga, 'di ba, sa FB lang dati, 'di ba, o sa mga TikTok, 'di ba? O kung saan man, yung mga pag dumadaan yung train mga idol, gutupian yung mga payong nila, ayan, yung mga tolda nila. And kasama ko siyempre si Sir Jerry, 'di ba? Paghahanap kami ng all goods in the hoods dito. Alam niyo naman eh, mawala ng lahat, wag lang 'yun mga idol. May durian sila rito, no? So, eto mga lods, medyo maganda yung klima ngayon kasi hindi masyadong maaraw, no? Pahapon na kasi. So hinahabol na habol natin yung 4 PM, no? Gano'n ba ako tattoo shop dito eh.
มองเห็นภาพเลยอะ
The train's coming, right?
Train gone.
Train gone?
Gone. Gone ค่ะ They come to the train station.
But there's another train, right?
Yeah.
One more train.
Oh, long time. I will send over there. In the morning, there's those umbrella.
Yeah. Umbrella. Dito kasi yun mga idol, no? Kung saan yung mga kita nyo yung mga umbrella nila. Tutupin nila pag hindi yung train kasi siyempre masagi ng train, diba? Kasi dito mga idol, oh, sarap po. Uy, sarap po.
You buy 5 fee one. Buy fee one. No suka. You trade? You trade it?
Grabe, sarap na, no? Mangga. Yup, fried mango. Oh.
Dry.
Uy, nice ko.
Ito din tayo babalik.
Oh, 100 lang, oh. 100, oh. Sandaan lang. All goods in the hood. Yung mga pang nila, ito yung maanghang.
Ano yan?
Yung mga pang rekado nila.
มาพี่ดูก่อนจ้า50 90 100เดียวจ้าดูก่อนนะคะตัวใหญ่จ้า
There's no more train, right? Coming? No more train?
Rถไฟหมดแล้วเหรอโอ้โหรอบสุดท้าย
Wait.
last last round is เท่าไหร่นะ540
Wow, last train.
รถไฟที่ออกไปตอน3 โมงอ๋อแต่ตลาดมันก็ไม่ไหวแล้วหรอก
How much for one? One piece?
100 baht
100 baht. Okay. 100 baht.
ซื้อไว้อยู่มาเร็วซื้อ
What's this one?
Curry.
Curry?
Big curry. Very spicy.
Very spicy.
Yeah.
How much? For the rice. Very spicy chicken.
No, fish.
Fish. Pig.
Feet.
Ah, pig.